There are morning people. There are night people. They share a planet, a language, and absolutely nothing else. Here are 8 idioms about morning and night. Number 1. The early bird gets the worm. One bird shows up at dawn and eats. The rest arrive at 9 to an empty lawn. The early bird gets the worm means the first one there wins. Number 2. A night owl. Useless at breakfast. Unstoppable at midnight. A night owl is someone whose brain switches on right as everyone else's switches off. Number 3. Sleep on it. The angry email can wait. The big purchase can wait. Sleep on it means decide tomorrow after a night's rest has quietly fixed your judgment. Number 4. Up before God. The alarm rings in total darkness. Even the chickens are still asleep. Being up before God means awake absurdly, offensively early. Number 5. The dead of night. No cars, no birds. Even the refrigerator hums quieter. The dead of night is the deepest, stillest hour when nothing moves but you. Number 6. From can see to can't see. Work starts when you can see your hand and stops when you can't. From can see to can't see means a full workday measured in pure daylight. Number 7. Burn the midnight oil. Before electricity, working late meant literally burning lamp oil at midnight. Burning the midnight oil means working deep into the night, by choice or by deadline. Number 8. Darkest before the dawn. The lowest, coldest, most hopeless hour comes right before the sky turns. Darkest before the dawn means hope arrives just after the worst of it. And that is 8 idioms for morning people, night people, and everyone asleep in between. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you learn something new, please like and subscribe for a new idiom every single day.